Today we are going to see about asexual and sexual reproduction. In that, contrivance of cross-pollination. The flowers of the plants have also several mechanisms that promote cross-pollination, which are also called contrivance of cross-pollination or outbreeding devices. It includes the following types: dicliny or unisexuality. When the flowers are unisexual, only cross-pollination is possible. There are two types: monoecious, male and female flowers seen on the same plant is called as monoecious. Example: coconut, bitter gourd. In plants like castor and maize, autogamy means self-pollination is prevented, but getinogamy means pollen deposited on another flower of the same individual will take place. Dioecious, male and female flowers seen on different plants. Example: papaya, date palm. Here both autogamy and getinogamy are prevented. Monocliny or bisexuality. Flowers are bisexual and the special adaptation of the flowers prevents self-pollination. Dichogamy. In bisexual flowers, anthers and stigma mature at different time, thus checking self-pollination. It is of two types: protandry. The stamens mature earlier than the stigma of the flowers. Example: sunflower. Protogyny. The stigma mature earlier than the stamens of the flower. Example: Scarpularia nodosa. Hercogamy. In bisexual flowers, the essential organs, the stamen and the stigma are arranged in such a way that self-pollination becomes impossible. Example: Doryssa superba. The style reflects away from the stamens, and in hibiscus, the stigmas project far above the stamens. Heterostyle. Some plants produce 2 or 3 different forms of flowers that are different in their length of stamens and style. Pollination will take place only between organs of the same length. Distyle. The plants produce 2 forms of flower: long style, long stigmatic papillae, short stamens and small pollen grains. Thrum-eyed or short style, small stigmatic papillae, long stamens and large pollen grains. Example: Primula. The stigma of the thrum-eyed flowers and the anther of the pin lie in same level to bring out pollination. Similarly, the anther of the thrum-eyed and the stigma of pin once is found in the same height. This helps in effective pollination. Trisstyle. The plants produce 3 kinds of flowers with respect to the length of the style and the stamens. Here, pollen from flowers of one type can pollinate only the other types but not their own type. Example: Litharum. Self-sterility or self-incompatibility. In some plants, when the pollen grains of a flower reaches the stigma of the same, it is unable to germinate or prevented to germinate on its own stigma. Example: Abutilon. It is a genetic mechanism.